Okay, so okay, let's start today's lecture. So we are on OAK online learning program and we are proceeding towards our last lecture, and that is like the second part of the last lecture. Okay, so this is my name. I'm your maths teacher, as you all know, and we are now on polynomials, cubic identities and practice questions. So in the last class, we did some identities with quizzes, right? Everybody remember? Today also we'll be going to have a quiz between school 1 and school 2. Let's see who will win here, because in the last class school 1 wins. Okay, so school 2 you have to give a tough fight. Okay, now today we'll be like again having that quiz between school 1 and school 2. I will be calling out some names and that person will answer me either by dictating or by showing their notebooks. Okay, so understood the rules of the quiz game? Yeah. Today your energy is really low. Why? Yeah. Had your lunch? Yeah. Was it tasty? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So your energy should be like this here. Okay. Now we'll be starting this super practice session. We did super practice session in the last class, and here also we are doing a similar thing. Okay. So we are here on the super practice section after covering all these sessions. Now the questions today are basically based on the cubic identities and whatever identities I'm teaching you today. And after that, we'll be having some questions from the previous topics. Okay, so let's just start. Now, you need to identify the identity to solve 105 and 101. Now I'm calling Durga Prasad from school 1. Durga is present? Yes, madam. Okay, you will have to answer me. And Nihan from school 2. Okay, you are Nihan? Okay, so you will be answering this question. Okay, now these are 4 options here. Now you have to tell me what is the correct answer. C, madam. Okay, school 1 is saying C, and school 2? Are you sure? Okay, okay. So school 2 is saying. Thank you so much, Durga. You can sit down. So I'm noting down points on my notebook also, and I will be writing on the screen also. So 1 point is given to both the classes. Now let me solve first. You all solve in your notebook. I am solving here because we will practice side by side with the quiz. Okay. So we have 105 multiplied by 101. Can you tell me what is the common number between these two? 100. Yes, 100. Okay, so that's why we can say 100 plus 5 and the other number will be 100 plus 1. Okay, so we need to like either multiply these two factors or we can use the identity. Now, what does identity says? It says if this is x plus a and this is x plus b, the identity says x square a plus b into x plus ab. So you just need to put a and b and x here in the identity and we are done. Okay, so everybody just fast. You know what is a is 5. You know what is b is 1. Just put in the identity and get your answers. I'm doing it for you here. I can ask someone to answer me. Okay, so everybody should answer in their notebooks. It's very easy. See, we just need to put a, b and x here. We know what is x, that is 100. We know what is a, that is 5, and we know what is b, that is 1. You all know the values. You just need to put the values in the identity. School 2, I cannot see you like writing. You are all watching at the screen. So I should see everybody writing.
10,105 answer.
So from school 2, the boy on the corner, the right corner. Can you tell me what is the answer if you are done?
You know, are you completed?
Everybody's passing on the mic. Okay. Okay, you haven't done? Okay, kindly complete it. Kindly complete it and then answer me. Have your notebook?
10,105.
Okay, you're saying 105. I am saying
10,106, ma'am.
yes, 605. Thank you. You can sit down. So this is the correct answer. Now, these questions, the multiplication of such numbers, which are big numbers, it's really easy when it comes to identity. Okay. Now you can see only three steps we need. This is the first question that is already given here. We just converted this into the identity part, and here we use that identity to solve this. And you always need to write the identity always in examination. Will you remember? You need to write the identity every time whenever you answer such questions. Okay, will you write? Okay. So moving on to the next question. Now the scores are, I'll be writing here. The scores for school 1 is 1 and school 2 is also 1. So there is a tie here. Now we need to factorize this question, and Yazim from school 1 is present? Absent. Okay. Shri Vikshita is present? Yes? Okay. So Shri Vikshita, you will be answering this question. And Samreen is present from school 2? Yes or no? Okay, so Samreen will answer this question, okay? Now I'm showing you the options. Let's see who will tell me the correct answer. You are saying C? D. D. Okay, so school 2 is saying D. School 1?
B, madam.
You are saying C. It's C, right?
B, madam.
Okay. Okay, again, 1 second. School 1 will answer now.
B, madam.
Okay, school 1 has said C. School 2, you are also saying C, right? Okay, D. Okay, there is a problem in my hearing. Okay, you are saying 2, you are saying 1. So this is all okay. You can sit down now. You have you already given your answers. Okay, you can sit down, Samreen. So let me just solve this question and then I'll tell you the answer. Okay, now can anybody tell me what is the identity being used here?
4x.
I can write this as 4x whole square, but for 15, what can I write?
4 into 3.
It is not a perfect square, right? We can write it 5 into 3. We cannot write it like something square. Either we can write it root 15 whole square. Is that correct? Yes or no? Okay. So what will be the answer? See, 4x minus root 15, 4x plus root 15. This will be the final answer. Do you understand? Everybody is so blank right now. Do you understand this question? So the identity is used here is this: a square minus b square. It is equal to a minus b and a plus b. When I can see that this cannot be converted to a perfect square, so I can write this thing as root 15 whole square. Like for 7, I can write this 7 as root 7 whole square. Right? So the answer is, the correct answer is D here. That is none. None of these are correct answer among A, B, and C. So D is the correct answer. Okay. So giving 1 point to school 1 and no point to school 2. Okay. So let's move on to the next question that is majorly based on cubic identities. Now I'll be solving some identities first and I'll be giving you some idea and then questions will come. So cubic identities and practice questions. So far, we have dealt with identities involving only second degree terms. Remember, every identity that we come across, these are second degree terms. Now let us extend the identity 1 to find x plus y whole cube. Right. Now we'll be finding x plus y whole cube. See, for x plus y whole cube, this is the correct expansion. This is the correct expansion. Now what we need to do? Do you all remember what was x plus y whole square? Can somebody tell me? What is x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy, right? So what we are doing right now is x plus y, and I am expanding this as you already know this. This is a second degree term identity that we already did in the last to last class, I think. So x square plus y square plus 2xy, right? Now we have two factors. Can we just multiply them? That is the correct option here. So we are multiplying this. X with x square plus y square plus 2xy, and then y with x square plus y square plus 2xy. Do you understand this part? Yeah. Everyone, school 1, school 2? Yeah. Okay, great. So you need to just multiply this. You can do it in your notebooks also, like with me, or you need to write this. Okay, so x cube, I get x y square, I get 2x square y plus x square y plus y cube plus 2xy square. Now let's just collect the like terms. As we know, x cube and y cube are the only one single term. So I can write here x cube plus y cube. But for xy square, I can see xy square here and here. So can I add them? 2xy square and xy square? Yeah. Okay, so I'm writing 3xy square. So this is done. Okay, now what is remaining? 2x square y and x square y. Can I add them? Yeah. It is 3x square y. So we can see that the identity here is little bit different from this one. What is the difference here? 3xy, right? We can take 3xy common from these two terms, these two last terms. So x cube plus y cube, 3xy, and in bracket we get x plus y, right? So is that easy part, how to derive the identity using the previous identities? Okay, your energy is very low today. Yes. Okay, in school 1, when boys used to sit in front of the camera, they are shouting like, yes ma'am, no ma'am. Girls, where is your energy? So you have to compete with your class also. Yes, good. So this is the correct formula, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now, whenever you come across such type, x plus y whole cube, you need to identify what is x, you need to identify what is y, and then put here. Okay, just identify and put. You be able to do this?
Yes, madam.
Okay, I got one boy voice. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so you need to find x and y. You need to put x and y here. So let's start. We have x plus y whole cube. Now the other identity is x minus y whole cube. So will you derive with me? Everybody?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So school 2 also kindly derive with me. Similarly, like the last identity. what we did in the last identity is x minus y multiplied by x minus y whole square, right? So just put the value of what you already know. That is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So if you did any mistake here, your answer will be different from mine. Okay. So you have to like correctly write x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now just multiply. Let's just multiply them. Everybody's doing? Okay. Let's see who is fast, me or you. If you're done, just tell me I'm done, ma'am. I think I will win. I have a good speed. Yes, I'm done. So anybody with me? Who completed the question with me? Okay. If you have completed, just show your hand like this. Yes, great, great, great. Nice. You are like having a good speed like me. You can tap your back. Okay, you can tap your back, giving you yourself. Okay, so we have done with this identity also. What we get? X cube minus y cube. Now I can take minus 3xy common. Okay, so what I get inside is x minus y. So there is a little bit difference between the last identity and this identity. You need to like remember this thing so that you do not like commit any mistake in the examination. Okay, so what is the difference between the last and this one? The last one have all the positive signs, right? It was the identity based on x plus y whole cube and it has all the positive signs. And here we have x minus y whole cube and we have, leaving this one, we have all negative signs. Correct? Yeah. Will you be able to remember this? Yeah. Okay. So I am writing both the identities here. Now you can write down these identities because we'll be like doing questions based on these. X plus y whole cube, all the signs are in positive signs. Okay, every sign is in positive. X minus y whole cube, we have minus here, minus here, minus here. Okay, in between we have only negative signs. So this is the major difference between these both identities, and you like try to not to commit any mistake while solving such questions. So done with the writing part of identities? Okay. So practice questions. Kids, ready for the quiz? Okay. So Suprazinika, I think I'm pronouncing right. Suprazinika is present. School 1?
Absent, madam.
Okay, she is absent. Okay. Adarsh is present.
Yes, madam.
So Adarsh will answer this question. And from school 2, Parveen is present. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So school 2, see, I'm writing the scores here. School 1 is at 2 points and school 2 you are at 1 point. Okay. So if you need to win, you will have to answer every answer correctly. So Parveen will answer this question for me, and from school 1, Adarsh will answer. Let's see the question here, and I want you to tell me the answer of this. Everybody just remember what is the identity being used here. Try to use the correct identity so that your like answer will be easy. Okay. Let's see who will do this question. So this question could be like lengthy, but I need to find the correct approach. Okay. What is the correct approach to this question? First of all, like finding the identity. Okay, I think others, you are done with the answer or the approach? Okay, can you repeat again?
10,603.
Okay, you are saying this is the answer. Okay, school 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can sit down. School 1. So I'm writing the first step. Okay, it is 100 plus 3 whole cube. It is 100 plus 3 whole cube. So I'm giving a second chance to school 2. Kindly revise the answer.
Oh,
It is
madam.
100 plus 3 whole cube. Okay. Parveen, kindly revise the answer. I'm just giving one chance. If you are saying that this is the correct answer, I will agree. If you want to revise the answer, you can. Everybody just do in your notebooks. Now, we all know what X is and what Y is. School 1, are you done? Kindly tell me the approach, how you are like doing the question. I have written one step. Okay, somebody else is showing. Can you like show in front of the camera? Okay, you have solved the question entirely, I think. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. I think you have solved the question entirely. Okay, can you just dictate the answer, school 1?
X plus y whole cube
Okay, X plus Y whole cube.
equal to x cube
Yes,
plus y cube plus
yes,
y
yes,
x plus y
yes. Now we need to put the values. What are the values? Kindly go on, go on, go on. I'm listening.
100 whole cube plus 3 whole cube plus
Okay.
3 100
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
103
Yes.
3 100 plus 3
Okay, okay. Now it's fine. Fine, fine, fine. So you know what is X, what is Y. You have the identity and you put all the values here, right? Right, Adarsh?
Madam.
Okay. I know you haven't completely done the question. The boy sitting behind you has done the question. So you can sit down also, Adarsh. Kindly revise it, okay, with me. You can sit down. So we are doing this. School 2, Parveen, have you revised your answer or this is the same answer you are getting? Yes, same answer or different answer?
Different answer, madam.
Kindly tell me. Okay. Right, right. Okay, good. So have you done it yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, school 1?
10 lakhs,
Yes.
92,000,
Yes.
7,27.
727. Okay. Yes. School 1, this is the correct answer. I know. But I was asking others, but you have answered. So also I'm giving you 1 point because I have also given one chance to school 2. So both will give 1 point. Both will get 1 point. Okay, good. But kindly try to understand. School 2, Parveen, this happens when you are dealing with degree 2. Because see, When we are multiplying 100 3 times, we already get this term. Okay, this is so much big term than this one. You have confused this with the second degree identities that we have done earlier. So this is the correct answer. Everybody just compare your answer with this one. This is the correct answer. So giving one point to both the schools. And now the scores are 3 for school 1 and 2 for school 2. Okay. Now in the next question, just kindly try to do not commit mistake in the calculation part. See, calculation you are already doing from like so many years. We are just telling you what are the identities. We cannot like teach you how to calculate. You have to be patient with the question, with yourself. Just try one step at one time. Kindly multiply, then add, then multiply. We cannot teach you calculations, but we can teach you new methods and that can take less steps. But calculation is in on your part. It will like you can be good in calculations by practice and practice of so many questions. Okay, so the answer will be like something like this. Everybody done with the answer?
Madam.
Everyone, yes or no?
Madam.
Okay, moving ahead, we have different question now. So I'm calling Harshit from school 1. Harshit is present? Okay. Harshit, kindly do in your notebook and then you can show me. Okay. Now, Geeta from school 2. Geeta is present? Present or not? I cannot hear you actually.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so Geeta will answer me this question. Kindly take your time. This is taking like 3 to 4 steps. Kindly take your time and give me the answer. Okay. Everyone, I'm asking from Harshit and Geeta, but everyone should like write in your notebooks. The practice you are doing with me will help you while doing the questions at your home. Do not forget the signs. Signs are really important. Everybody mostly make mistakes while writing the signs. So signs are very important. Okay. I'm writing the identity for you here. Kindly match your identity. Everyone, just match your identity and write the question in the correct format and then put the values. Okay. Whenever you are done, Harshit or Geeta, you can come forward and tell me the answer. Everybody is doing right?
Madam.
Okay. I have just written the first step. If somebody is stuck at the first step, kindly see and try to move forward. Okay. It is 100 minus 1 whole cube. 99 cube is really difficult to find because it takes so many like multiplication steps. It's 99 into 99, then again 99. So you can like use this identity to solve the question. 100 minus 1 whole cube. We get x is equal to 100, y is equal to 1. Just put in the identity and you will get your answer. Let's see who will give me the correct answer. I'm saying it again. Do not forget the signs. Okay, do not forget the signs. that we have in all the identity? Everybody is solving. School 1, boys, are you solving?
Madam.
Okay. Okay. Geeta, have you done with the question? Okay, you can just tell me the final answer. I cannot see clearly. You can tell me the final answer. Just dictate with me. Okay, again, 9.
7,299.
Okay, you can sit down. You can sit down, Geeta. This is the answer, right? I think there is a problem in the mic. Say yes if this is the correct answer you are having. No. Okay, kindly try to show me again. Kindly show in front of the camera. I can...
298, ma'am.
Okay, you are saying 7,000. Can you show me the notebook again? Kindly show me the notebook again in front of the camera. Little near to the camera, okay? Okay, little bit up. Okay, still not able to see. Okay. No, it is blur actually. It is blur. I cannot see it clearly. So just tell me this is not your answer, right? This is your answer. Okay. Try to say again. Try to say again. Okay, can somebody else say what is the answer the school to getting? Okay, it's 9, 7. Okay, school 1 is showing. Okay, can you say it? Like I have seen many conditions. Is this the correct answer you're having?
No, madam, 99 in place of 9, 8 was one digit. 970,298.
970,298.
She says.
Right?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, sir. I cannot see. Actually, it is blur. It is blur. I am not able to see. Okay, your voice is not coming. Okay, sir, I think this is the answer that he is saying, right? School 1.
9,70,299.
299. Okay, okay. Right. Thank you, sir.
Go back.
Okay. So I'm solving the question here for you. So x minus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So whosoever have done the question, very good. But those students who do not done with the question, kindly do it with me. Okay. Now what we are doing here is 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 and 100 minus 1, right? So what we have here is this minus 1 minus 300 and here it is 99. So this is the only calculation that you need to do. Otherwise, we only have plus and minus signs. So you can do it like this, right? So what do we have here is so I get the answer as 970 299. This is the correct answer. Okay. Everybody is getting this answer.
Yes, madam.
Okay. School 1. Everyone.
Madam.
Okay. So giving 1 point to school 1 and school 2 both. Okay. Moving ahead. We have two different identities that is based on, see, we first have x minus y whole cube and x plus y whole cube. Can you tell me the difference what we have here? This is difference of some cubes, which means x cube plus y cube, addition of two cubes, and x cube minus y cube, right? Kindly write down these identities. X cube plus y cube contains one negative sign here. This is the star point I'm telling you. Always we try to remember, like if the formula is having a positive sign, every sign is positive. But here we have one negative sign here. So we have x cube plus y cube. It is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now kind of x cube plus y cube has factors x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. These are the factors. Now for x cube minus y cube, these are the factors. See, here is a positive sign, only here it is the negative sign. Kindly note down these identities and we'll be doing question based on this. Only write these, okay? So that you can compare with the question. You can apply with the question. Okay, so shall I move forward?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, giving 10 more seconds. Kindly write it down. Okay, up. So there are practice questions based on these. So what we have here is Ashraf is present in school 1.
Absent, madam.
Absent. Okay. Rishika is present.
Absent, madam.
Okay. Sharon is present.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Sharon will answer this question. And from school 2, Sagar is present. Okay. Sagar will answer this question. Okay. So, yes. So I'm showing you the question. That is this. Kindly use the identity that I told you in the last slide. You need to put what is A, what is B here in the identity. Try to make complete cubes. Try to make complete cubes and then you will find your A and B. Try to write as the left hand side, okay? That is A cube minus B cube. See, this is not in the form of A cube minus B cube. You need to write in the complete bracket format, whole cube. Check whether 64 and 27 are perfect cubes or not. Always remember the sign that we are having in between. In this factor, we have negative sign, but in this factor, we do not have any negative sign. Okay, I'm writing the first step only. Everybody is getting this step? Yes. Okay. Are you Sharon? Actually, I do not know students.
Alvia, madam.
Okay. So I'll be asking. Okay, you can answer. You can answer. Okay. Okay, you have expanded. Yeah. Now I can see. Okay, minus. Great. Good. You can sit down. I'm still waiting the answer from Sharon. And I will, you can clap. Good. So I'm still waiting answer from Sharon. Then I'll be giving marks. And school 2, I'm waiting your answer also from Sagar. Okay. You need to put this into this format. That is the identity. I am constantly giving hints. You need to answer it yourself. Sagar, can you come forward and show me the steps that wherever you reach, I can see that it is correct or not? Sharon, are you trying?
Yes, madam. Trying, madam.
Okay. Everybody else kindly do in your notebooks. Yes, you can show me. A little bit. Yes, I can see now. Okay, 4x minus 3y. So the sign should be minus, I guess. You have written plus. Sharon, you have used the incorrect identity. You have used the plus identity. I have already written here, it is a minus b. You have written 4x plus 3y, right? And there is no negative sign in between this factor. Okay, you can sit down, kindly correct it. It is not correct right now, but you can correct it with the correct identity. Sagar, are you done with the question? Kindly tell me whatever you are getting. Okay. Yes.
Answer is 64 x cube minus 27 y cube.
This is the question. Okay. No. This is the question. See, we need to make factors out of this. We need to make factors like this. I have mentioned here. So, Sagar, can you come forward? Why are you so shy? Sagar is a boy, right? So, can you come forward? Like, show me a notebook. I can see that it is correct or not. The teacher is present. Kindly send Sagar. Okay. So, okay. Sagar, a little bit forward. Yes. Okay. So 4x minus 3y. You have written whole cube. 4x minus 3y whole cube. No. Okay. You can sit down. It is not correct. You can sit down. So I'm not giving any points to both the schools. I know the girl from school 1 has answered correctly. Good for her. but I have asked Sharon and Sagar, both have answered incorrectly. So kindly go with me. See, I'm writing 4x whole cube minus 3y whole cube. Now, whenever you are learning new identities, you need to forget, you do not need to confuse with the different ones, that the previous ones. The last we studied was a minus b whole cube. Sagar is confused with this one, okay? And Sharon did the opposite sign. She did a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the very usual mistake everybody do, okay? I'm just telling you the mistakes just to tell you that try to avoid these mistakes, right? So you need to obviously first write the correct formula, that is this one. Identify the question, write the correct formula first and then answer. See, now what will be the answer? We need to convert like this. It is 4x minus 3y. This is the first factor. Now 4x whole cube whole square plus 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square. That's it. This is the final answer. See, you just need to simplify it like in one more step. No further calculations. 16x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. This is the final answer. See, it is so easy. You are just confusing with the previous identities. That's why it is taking time. Everybody get this?
Yes, madam.
School 1, school 2?
Yes, madam.
See, only convert this in this format. Yes. Kindly speak again. You're having the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are okay. You are from second school. Okay. Good. You are. If you are having the same answer, yes, you can show me. Yes. It is correct. Good. So school 2 has also answered. Some students has answered correctly, but the answer, everybody kindly see, this is the correct answer. Okay, good. 4x minus 3y, 16x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. And it is so simple than the previous identities. You do not need to reach to one single numeric answer. These are factors. Right? Everybody understand?
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to the next question. This is the next question. And I want Akshay from school 1.
Present, madam.
Present?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so Akshay will answer and Sharath will answer from school 2. Sharath is present? Present? Present or not? Okay, Sharath, you will answer the question, okay? Kindly see, observe, write the correct identity and then try, okay? See, I'm writing the identity for you guys. And you need to use this. Sharon, you were using this identity. This was correct for this question. Okay, now you can apply that identity here in this question. I hope you will get the correct answer. See, this is only a two-step question. Akshay and Sharath, kindly answer little bit fast. So I have corrected the identity, that is a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. If sometimes I commit mistake, you can also point at me. Kindly convert the question into this format, that is complete cubes, and then Just factorize it. Okay. So, Akshay?
Very good.
Okay. Good, good, good. You can sit down. Good. So he goes Akshay, right? Okay. So giving 1 point to school 1 and writing the points right now after Sharath will answer from school 2. Sharath, are you done with the question? Okay, so I'm just telling you points will be given only when Sharath will answer. You can answer it correctly, but if Sharath will answer, points will be given at that time. I know you have answered it correctly. That's why I can see the confidence. So I'm writing the first step. Whosoever do not reach to the first step, see 2x whole cube and plus y cube only, because there is no numerical coefficient present in front of y cube. Sharath, giving you 1 minute because we have to complete the lecture on time. So just waiting for your answer. You can tell me the approach also. I can see that you can reach to the answer or not. Kindly come forward. Boys of school 2 are really shy. Sharath, can you come forward? All the boys, kindly push Sharath here in front of the screen. I think he's not willing to come. So points of school 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, including Akshay's answer, and school 2 will be calculated after this answer. So the girl already came from school 2. Kindly come and give the answer. I'm shifting Sharath question to her. Or Sharath is coming. Great, 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 great. Come forward. See, whether your answer is wrong, you can come forward and tell me. Nobody is saying you anything. Okay. Good, good, good. Why are you not coming forward? You have answered correctly. Good. You can sit down. So, Sharish is also getting 1 point. And school 2 is at 4 points. Okay. Including Sharath's point. So, let me just write the answer. 2x plus y. 2x whole square minus 2x into y plus y square. So, this is the final answer. Everybody just compare. 4x square minus 2xy plus y square.
Madam.
Okay, correct?
Yes, madam.
Okay, moving on to one more identity, that is this one. See, this is the last identity of this session, and the identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and that is further equal to 2 factors, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Kindly note it down. And we'll be doing one question based on this. And let's see who will answer it correctly. Whenever you note it down, kindly say done. Okay, kindly note down. See, a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc, a plus b plus c into this thing. Now, in this identity, there is a star point. You need to check first either the a plus b plus c it is equal to 0 or not. See, If A plus B plus C it is equal to 0, then this whole right hand side will become 0, right? If A plus B plus C it is equal to 0, then this whole right hand side will become 0. And what do we get? We get A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. It is equal to 0. And the answer of these three cubes will be equal to only 3ABC. See, you need to apply this part in the question that I'll be giving you. If A plus B plus C, which are A, B and C in the cubes, okay? If the sum of these three, it is equal to 0, then the answer to the sum of cube, it is equal to 3ABC. Right? Write the identity and write this condition. Okay, so I'm showing you the question now. See, kindly check this. Now this is your A. This is your complete B. This is your complete C. First check A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or not. I'll be asking the question from school 1, the girl with the jacket in the first line. Okay, you will answer. And from school 2, Sanjana will answer. Okay. Let's see who will answer. Try to use the condition here. Try to find first that either A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or not. This is your complete A here. This is your complete B. This is your complete C. Do not get confused with these constants given in the question. Guys, this is the last question. Kindly bear with me. Kindly check A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or not. And if it is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, it is equal to 3ABC. Use this part. So Sanjana, are you done? Okay. Kindly come in front of the laptop or wherever the camera is. Yes. Is this equal to 0? Your A plus B plus C? Okay. So this is done. Now what is the answer? What is the answer of this complete question? See, I have written this thing here. 3ABC you need to compute. 3 times. Kindly say it again. 3. Okay, only 3. Okay, you can sit down. Okay. So, girl in the first line of school 1, are you done with the question? Okay. So, kindly just see, I'm doing the question. Nobody is getting it right because it is the new identity here and we are just lacking some time. So, let's see. A is this, B is this, C is this. 3A minus 2B plus 2B minus 5C plus 5C minus 3A. Let's check. 3A cancel with this, 2B cancel with this and this. Great. I am having 0 here. Everybody is getting 0?
Yes, madam.
We find the cubes here, okay, of this ABC. So what will be the answer? Answer will be equal to 3. What was my A? What was my B? And what was my C? 5C minus 3A. You can leave it here. This is the correct answer. 3ABC. Right? So if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3 times ABC. ABC in the question. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Right? Now, the next question, I'm doing it with you. See, without actually calculating the cubes, factorize this. Now, I need to check minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. It is equal to 0 or not? Yes or no? Yes, it is equal to 0. So, what will be the answer? Answer will be this only. 3 times A, B and C. You can calculate this and this is the final answer. See, when you need to compute minus 12 whole cube, that is a huge calculation. 7 cube, 5 cube, and here answer is only this. This is the useful thing of these identities. So the scores are for school 1, it is 5. For school 2, it is 4. Tough here, but everybody clapping for everyone. Great. Thank you so much. Any doubts? Anybody having? Still clapping, okay. So, okay, thank you so much. Have a great year ahead and we will meet in next lecture.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay.